Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a water scooter with the Rubik's twist. So, take the first two blocks and turn everything else up, like this. Alright, now turn this yellow block down. Okay, and then now turn this grey block towards you. Sorry, turn that grey block twice actually. And then turn this green block away from you. Actually, sorry, towards you, not away from you. Okay, and then now turn this block up, and then turn this black block 2 times. Now it won't quite match up, so turn this grey block to the right, like this, and then it should match up. Now turn this black block down. Okay, and then turn this grey block to the right. Sorry, 1 second. Oh yeah, sorry, okay. So turn this black block to the right, no, to the left, and then turn this grey block twice. So that should go in like that. Okay, and then now turn this block 2 times, like that. Okay, and then turn this red block up. Okay, now turn this grey block to the right. And then turn this black block down twice. And turn this white block to the back. Okay, now turn this green block inside. And then turn this grey block up. No, this black block up. Okay, now turn this grey block to the right. And then turn this black block 2 times. Now this grey block goes to the back, like this. Actually, before you do that, turn this black block like this. No, like this. No, like this. And then turn this grey block to the back. 1 second, yeah. And, yeah, there you go. You have your water scooter. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.